Most people start learning AI the wrong way. They jump straight into coding, pick random courses, and after a few weeks, they feel stuck. The problem is not effort. The problem is direction. If you choose the wrong certification at the start, you end up wasting months. In this video, I'll show you exactly which AI certification you should choose based on your background and your career goal. Here's the truth. AI is not a single career path. There are three clear paths you can take: business AI, AI practitioner, and technical AI. Each of these paths requires a different starting point. If you choose a certification that doesn't match your goal, learning becomes difficult and confusing. So instead of asking which AI certification is the best, ask a better question: which AI certification is right for me? Once you get that right, everything becomes easier. Let's start with the first path, business AI. This path is ideal if you work in roles like marketing, sales, finance, or operations. You don't want to code, but you want to use AI to make better decisions. Your goal here is simple. You want to understand AI, apply it in your work, and improve business outcomes. The best certification to start with is CertNexus AI Biz, which is designed for business professionals. In this certification, you learn how AI works in simple terms, where it fits into business processes, how to evaluate AI tools, and how to think about risks, ethics, and return on investment. For example, a marketing manager can use AI tools to analyze customer behavior and improve campaign performance. There's no coding involved, but the impact is high. If you start with technical certifications in this path, you'll likely feel lost and overwhelmed. Now, let's talk about the second path, AI practitioner. This is for you if you are comfortable with basic coding and want to build simple AI models without going deep into complex mathematics. Your goal is to work with AI tools, build small models, and understand how data flows through AI systems. A good starting certification here is CertNexus CAIP, the AI Practitioner certification. In this, you learn the fundamentals of machine learning, how to handle data, how to train models, and how real-world AI workflows operate. You'll also start using tools like Python and basic machine learning libraries, but without heavy theory. For example, a business analyst can build a simple model to predict future sales based on past data. If you skip this stage and jump directly into advanced AI, it often becomes overwhelming. The third path is technical AI. This is for you if your goal is to become an AI engineer or a data scientist. You are comfortable with coding and ready to work with math and algorithms. Here, your focus is on building AI systems from the ground up. You don't start with certifications immediately. First, you need strong fundamentals. That includes Python programming, statistics, and linear algebra. Once your foundation is solid, you move into machine learning, then deep learning, and later specialize in areas like natural language processing or computer vision. For example, an AI engineer might build a recommendation system similar to what you see on platforms like Netflix or Amazon. If you skip the fundamentals in this path, you will struggle later when concepts become more complex. Now, the important question: how do you choose your starting point? Use a simple filter. Ask yourself three things. First, do you want to code? If the answer is no, go with business AI. Second, what is your goal? If your goal is better decision-making, start with AI Biz. If you want to build small models, go with CAIP. Third, look at your current skill level. If you are non-technical, start simple. If you already know basic coding, go to practitioner. If you are strong in coding, you can move into technical AI. Now, let's quickly look at common mistakes. The first mistake is starting with deep learning without understanding the basics. That leads to confusion. The second mistake is choosing certifications based on trends instead of relevance. That leads to no real career growth. The third mistake is skipping hands-on practice. Without practice, you don't build real skills. The fourth mistake is trying to learn everything at once, which often leads to burnout. The solution is simple. Pick one path, follow a structured roadmap, and build your skills. If you're starting today, follow this simple plan. First, choose your path, then pick your first certification. After that, focus on learning the fundamentals. Once you understand the basics, start working on small projects, then gradually move to the next level of certification. Keep the process simple. Stay consistent. That's what drives results. AI is growing fast, but success depends on choosing the right direction. Pick the right certification and start with a strong foundation. If you want help, comment with your background and your goal. I'll guide you on exactly which certification you should start with. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on AI, technology, and real-world industry insights. Thanks for watching.